Welcome to Scout Automobile. The legacy of the Volkswagen Beetle is one that has transcended time, countries, and generations. Now, in 2026, Volkswagen is once again redefining what the Beetle can be. Say hello to the 2026 Volkswagen Ghia Beetle, a name that combines nostalgia with futuristic ambition. This new chapter in the Beetle story is unlike anything we've seen before, and it's sure to make waves in the automotive world. Volkswagen calls it the Ghia Beetle, a blend of charm and cutting-edge design. The name Ghia evokes a playful, human-like personality for the car, and once you see it, you'll understand why. It feels alive, expressive, and completely reimagined for a new era of eco-conscious drivers, design lovers, and tech-savvy adventurers. What Volkswagen has done here is not just update the Beetle, they've completely redefined it. Let's talk about the design. The 2026 Ghia Beetle stays true to the rounded, friendly curves that made the original Beetle a global icon. But this time, it adds sharper LED lighting elements, a lower stance, and a more aggressive front fascia that signals a bolder personality. The retro-modern fusion is perfect. Chrome accents are subtle but tasteful, and the two-tone paint schemes, especially the classic cream and burgundy or the bold matte black and copper, bring a luxurious, fashion-forward appeal. The new Ghia Beetle rides on a dedicated EV platform. Volkswagen has moved away from internal combustion for this generation, and it shows. The car is smooth, silent, and surprisingly quick. With a dual-motor setup producing close to 320 horsepower, the Ghia Beetle goes from 0 to 60 mph in just 5.7 seconds. It's no sports car, but it's more than enough punch for urban and suburban driving. The range? An impressive 310 miles on a single charge, thanks to Volkswagen's latest lithium-silicon battery tech. But it's not just the specs that impress, it's how it feels. The suspension is tuned for comfort without sacrificing responsiveness. Whether you're gliding through the city or cruising down the highway, the Ghia Beetle offers an experience that's equal parts playful and premium. It feels compact yet substantial, like a little luxury bubble on wheels. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece of design and tech. There's a floating digital dashboard that seamlessly integrates with an augmented reality windshield. Instead of traditional gauges, everything from your speed to your navigation is displayed right in your line of sight. The center console is minimal, with a haptic touch interface that controls climate, media, and vehicle settings. The steering wheel? Hexagonal and sleek with embedded OLED buttons that light up only when needed. What truly sets the interior apart, though, is the vibe. There's customizable ambient lighting, suede-wrapped panels, recycled ocean plastic seats that are somehow more comfortable than leather, and even a fragrance diffuser with selectable mood scents. Yes, you can drive in morning forest or midnight beach mode depending on how you want to feel. It's quirky, it's different, and that's what the Beetle has always been about. On the tech front, the Ghia Beetle doesn't hold back. You get Volkswagen's latest IQ Drive 3.0, a semi-autonomous system that handles highway driving, lane changes, and even parking in tight urban spaces. The voice assistant responds naturally and is integrated with ChatGPT-style conversational AI. Want to find a cafe with outdoor seating and pet-friendly policies within 10 minutes of your route? Just ask. Connectivity is a major focus. Your phone acts as your key, of course, but it also syncs with the vehicle to customize seat positions, playlist preferences, and even lighting moods. There's full integration with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a new Volkswagen-exclusive Drive Live feature that lets you stream your road trip in real time, complete with overlaid GPS trails and your own voice commentary. Safety? Absolutely top-notch. The Ghia Beetle comes with over-the-air software updates, adaptive matrix headlights that adjust to oncoming traffic, and even a child monitoring system for backseat passengers. The attention to detail is phenomenal. But beyond the specs, beyond the features, there's a feeling this car gives you. It makes people smile. It turns heads, Not because it's trying to look like a supercar or shout for attention, but because it's confident in its identity. It's nostalgic and futuristic, soft and powerful, fun and intelligent. That's rare. And in a market flooded with generic electric crossovers, the 2026 Volkswagen Ghia Beetle dares to be different. Volkswagen has positioned this car as more than just transportation. It's a lifestyle product, a statement of individuality, and a nod to a past that we still hold dear, all while driving toward a more sustainable future. Pricing starts around $37,000, which undercuts some luxury EVs but still keeps it aspirational. A convertible version is in the works for early 2027, and rumors suggest a performance GSR, trim with AWD and track-ready specs, could be coming too. In the end, the 2026 Ghia Beetle is more than a car. It's a conversation starter, a design icon reborn, and a symbol of where Volkswagen believes the heart of driving still lives. Not just in horsepower or range, but in the emotion a car can spark. Thanks for watching. This is Scout Automobile. See you in the next drive.